And I think that's like the trust piece, like you mentioned, is such a big thing. And I think, like, for me personally, one of the things like I advocate all the time is building up a relationship with your product team partners, with your engineering partners, whoever it is, and having one-on-one conversations on a regular basis and getting a sense for like what they're worried about. What are they nervous about? You know, we talk about empathy for users. This is a really great example, like empathy for your product team to understand, like, what are they concerned with? What are the pressures are they under? Who's asking them for stuff? Because a lot of times you never really figure that out. They're just coming in and they're saying, I need it by Friday. And they're not telling you, like, some other person asked me for something. You know, it's like, all right, well, like, that's unreasonable. Like, let's talk about how we could get that person asking you for something else sooner or later or whatever, something different, you know, so that you aren't under this pressure anymore. And